We are the students of Madras Christian College High Secondary School. I am S. Santosh and he is my friend J.K. Anisilche of class 10. The topic of our project is wastewater management. We chosen this project to solve the problems of water.
Materials required to make the water filter is sand, gravel, stone and cotton. Construction. The first layer consists of stone. The second layer consists of charcoal. The third layer consists of gravel and the last layer consists of cotton.
From wastewater tank, the water moves to wash bin and wash bin remove the wastes and goes into filtration tank.
In the filtration tank, the stones remove the larger particles and the charcoal makes the water healthier. The gravel and sand removes the smaller particles. At last, we get fresh water.
We can use this water for cleaning the floors, washing the clothes and etc.
The reference of this project is water treatment plant, where the sewage water is transferred into potable water. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is S. Sarveshatya. My name is B. Gautam of class 7S, NCC Higher Secondary School. Now we are going to talk about the water fountain. This water fountain is a small compressor that is drawn by the water to raise up from the basin and to the fountain nozzle. This force of strain will raise the water from the basin and crashing down again into the basin. Usually water fountains can be seen in public places like malls, parks, etc. and can be also seen in the front of government offices and buildings. We made this project by using a pump, pipe, wires, a switch, battery and decorative items like plants, color, stones. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. I am Harita B.
I am J. Kadiravan
of class 7D from MCC High Secondary School. Our project is hydroponics. Hydroponics scientific reason is without soil we can grow plants with the help of water. The basic components of hydroponics are
hydroponics. It is also known as soilless cultivation. Cultivation of plants without water is called hydroponics. The derived form of hydroponics is hydro means water and ponics means labor, which means water working is called hydroponic. The term of hydroponic was coined by Group 1940.
Mons has developed a method of growing plants and nutrition solutions. The nutrition solutions are crop solution or Arnon and Morgline solution. Plant roots immersed in the solution containing nutrients and is supplied with the help of tube. Rice, tomato, maize, marigold, etc. can be cultivated using hydroponics. Explanation. Hydroponics contains a main container and 3 floors. From the main container, a tube will be connected to the 3rd floor. If you pour some water and switch on the motor, with the help of the tube, the water will go to the 3rd floor. The plant which is in 3rd floor absorbs the water it needs and drains the excess water to the 2nd floor. The plant which is in 2nd floor absorbs the water it needs and drains the excess water to the 1st floor. Finally, the plant which is in 1st floor will absorb the water it needs and drains the excess water back to the main container. The main container will recycle it again and again. With the use of this, we can save water. Thank you. மாலை வணக்கம். எனது பெயர் ரா சைலீஸ்வரன்.
எனது பெயர் கா சுவாமிநாதன். சென்னை கிறிஸ்துவ கல்லூரி மேல்நிலைப் பள்ளியில் 6ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆ பிரிவில் படிக்கிறோம். இதன் மூலம் தண்ணீர் வீணாவதை தடுக்கலாம்.
இதற்கு தேவையான பொருட்கள் HW பேட்டரி, பஸர், 1 சுவிட்ச், 1 மீட்டர் ஒயர் அண்ட் நன்றி.
Good evening. We the students of MCC Higher Secondary School, Class 60, S. Harihara Karpasamy and Jeswin Kumar going to explain about Tesla coil.
A Tesla coil shows the relationship between electricity and magnetism.
Ampere's law and Faraday's law. Their principle was resonance. In the material used for this project, light, 9-volt battery, switch, transistor, resistor, copper wire, aluminum sheet, pipe, and plastic bottle. Invented by Nicholas Tesla. He provided wireless energy which led to invention of Tesla coil. The uses of Tesla coil is remote control, smartphone, computer and X-ray.
It is cheap for society and it is entertainment for children.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Yasisha.
Hi, my name is Joshua.
This is hydropower JCB. It works from hydro pressure.
The hydraulic press works on the principle of Pascal's law, which states that when pressure is applied to a confident fluid, the pressure changes occurs thought out the entire fluid.
We make this JCB means the ingredients 1 thick cardboard, 6 syringes, 6 tubes and
Pins and ice sticks. Now I showed this to how it works. Now I told me it will come friends. I do this means it will show. Thank you.